Hey guys, it's me, Sam, back with another video for you guys on Lillian's hair. We are actually really late to go somewhere right now, and I do not have a lot of time to style her hair, but I didn't want her hair to stay in these braids. So I'm going to turn this into a really cute style in literally 5 minutes. First step is I'm going through and cutting out the rubber bands at the bottom of her braids because I will never rip rubber bands from her hair. And now I'm just loosening up the braids on top, and I'm going to turn this into one ponytail right on top of her head. So I'm just going to add some water and some leave-in conditioner, whatever kind you have, and brush it back into a ponytail. Next, I'm going to loosen the braids from the middle of her head and turn that into another ponytail. And last but not least, I'm going to loosen that back braid and turn that into a ponytail as well. So as you can see, this is going to be a super cute style. And I like for my girls to have their hair in little protective styles, but that I can also transform into a cute style if we have somewhere to be. I'm just adding some water to her ponytails and a little bit of CurlMix gel to kind of create a new curl pattern because her hair was in those braids. And of course, I'm scrunching it to help her curls form. And that's it, y'all. We are done in less than 5 minutes, ready to go out the door. Please tell me what you guys think of this super easy style. It would be great for school if you're running late in the morning or anything else. Let me know how you like it in the comments, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell. We'll see you next time.